हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नमस्कार। स्वागत है आपका ग्लोरियस एजुकेशन में। यू आर द सीरियस पर्सन, दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव ज्वाइंड दिस कम्युनिटी। So congratulations for that, because you are going to learn different magical tricks of Vedic math. Actually, I gave this series the name as the magic of Vedic math because when you learn the concept of Vedic math, then you will definitely become a magician of mathematics. Your calculation speed will be faster. Before going into deep of Vedic math, let us understand what is the origin of Vedic math and why this Vedic math is so important in our life. So let us go step by step. First of all, understand that mathematics is a life skill. It goes with you throughout the life. It is the only skill which will help you throughout the life. You can't deny this. Without calculation, you can't survive. Is it not? Then why not to learn that skill and master your skill, which is so much required in our life. What is Vedic math? Vedic math comes from Vedas. Vedas are the sacred book written by our holy men in ancient times, thousands years back. And Vedic math is the collection of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras. These sutra means simple techniques or formulas which can be used in most complex calculations of mathematics, which involved arithmetics, trigonometry, conic section, calculus, etc. It can be used in different aspects of mathematics. So by using these techniques, you are able to do the quick and accurate calculation of mathematics. Now let us reveal the theory. Who is the originator of Vedic math? Who is the father? The Ved, the ancient sacred book of our India and written by our great legendary respected men, Sant of India. Veda means knowledge. In Vedas, there are different type of knowledge is hidden. Means each and every type of knowledge like music, dance, astrology, engineering, mathematics, science, all type of knowledge is there in our Vedas. Our ancestors are so wise. Is this is the proof of that. So we should proud on the Vedas of India, which is the greatest gift for ours. And who is the father of Vedic math? The father of Vedic math is Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha ji, who have did who had did an extensive research on Vedas and collected these 16 sutras and 13 subsutras, which can be used in various aspect in different ways. And he documented all these sutras, formulas in his book called Vedic Mathematics in 1965. And we should be thankful for gifting us this an amazing techniques or Indian techniques, and we should be proud on this. Now the question arises that why we should learn Vedic math. And what are those formulas which are in Vedic math? These are the synopsis of 16 Vedic math sutras, Ekadikein, Purvain, Nikhilam, Navatacharatadasham. These all formulas are in Sanskrit. And these are the 13 sub-sutras or formulas which are in Vedic maths. So don't worry about these formulas because these formulas are in Sanskrit. But we will study all the formulas in Hindi and English as well. Now, why Vedic math is important? Here are some benefits which give you the clarity. With the help of Vedic math, you are able to do the calculation or you can give the answer in one line only. It will give you the power to do the calculation in mind only. Mathematics is taught on that time when the invention of pen or paper was not there. So at that time, math was taught and all the disciples do the calculation in mind only. So you can imagine the power of Vedic math, how it is important. This will develop the critical thinking in you and you become a problem solver, not in mathematics, in your life also, because this Vedic math gives you some life lessons also, where you can balance the your life accordingly, and it will definitely improve your academic performance and sharp your mind. Your mental agility improved a lot, and definitely your visualization power and concentration will become high, and you are able to solve all the question with high improved skill, speed, and with accuracy. So why not to learn these Vedic math and nurture a strong mind power with Vedic math? Remember one thing, good things come to those who wait. That was the old saying, but now it is changed. Better thing comes to those who work for it. Now it's time to work for your skill and enhance your mathematical knowledge and apply in your life and do great in life. So we will meet in next module with some new concept, and till then, goodbye and keep learning, keep smiling.